Because I love working in oil, but I don't have the patience to wait hours for it to dry before I move on to a second or third layer.
This magical product will maintain the consistency of your paint and also add a little bit of luster to your paint. And it will be dry to the touch within 30 minutes to an hour if you're working in thin layers. And if you want it to be completely dry, within 8 to 10 hours.
I'm Crystal Bashara. I've been a professional artist and arts educator for over 25 years. Welcome to Artful Living. That magical product is by Gamblin. It's called Galca Gel. I use it to speed up the drying time of my oil paint. A little goes a long way. I just squeeze a little bit out into my reservoir here and then dip into it whenever I need to. So I pull from the reservoir and then I add it to the paint mixture. And you don't want to exceed a ratio of 1 to 3, but you can get away with using very little of it. And what I love about this is the consistency of the paint remains the same. You don't thin it out, it doesn't become more gelatinous. It really just matches the consistency. It does add a little bit of transparency, which I actually really love. I used to be really stressed about the ratio, and I used to also kind of fret about the thickness of the paint. If using it in thin layers, your paint will dry really quickly. I mean, there are times where I'm just shocked. I can come back to a layer in about 20 minutes. This is really great because I'll work 4 to 6 hours at a time.
And I'll just keep myself busy in one section as another section dries. And that section in those thin glazes will actually be dry enough that I can apply new paint right on top.
And I can continue building glazes really effectively and efficiently this way. Of course, if you're working with thicker paint, it will take a little bit longer to dry. Whether you're working on canvas or linen or cradled wood panel like I am in this particular painting, it should be dry to the touch within 10 to 12 hours. Another cool benefit of having your layers dry so quickly and having that added security of
If I don't like what I've done, I can just safely wipe that away. So you can see just how dry and secure that underpainting is. And again, that was only 8 to 10 hours of drying time in between these two layers. So it's really awesome. I've linked the product down below if you're interested in trying oil or you are an avid oil paint user and you just want something that will feel and look like your oil consistency that you're used to working with without any changes. You can just give this a shot. It's a beautiful product and you can get it on Amazon.
I hope this video helps, and I hope that you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy tips like this. I'm always happy to share everything behind the scenes here in my studio. Thanks for watching.